Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we've got a drone showdown that'll make your head spin faster than a propeller in a hurricane. On the left, we have the TENSSENX GPS drone, and on the right, the TENSSENX Brushless motor drone. Two drones enter. One drone leaves. Well, not really, but you get the idea. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and see which one of these aerial wonders deserves your dollars. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes your wallet cry: the price. The TENSSENX GPS drone will set you back $169. That's right, folks, for the price of a gourmet meal for two, you could own a flying camera. Over on the TENSSENX side, it's a more budget-friendly $99. So if you're the type who'd rather save some bucks for snacks, TENSSENX might just be your new best friend. Now, let's zoom in, pun absolutely intended, on the cameras. The TENSSENX sports a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like the James Cameron of drones, ready to capture your epic moments in glorious detail. Meanwhile, TENSSENX isn't slacking off either, boasting a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. Both are pretty snazzy, but TENSSENX's automatic adjustment gives it a slight edge. It's like having a personal photographer who doesn't need coffee breaks. Reviewers love the TENSSENX for its camera quality, stating it's perfect for capturing clear photos and videos. TENSSENX also gets kudos for its stunning 4K FPV camera, but some users found the app lacking. Let's talk airtime, because no one likes a drone that's all buzz and no flight. The TENSSENX promises up to 46 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's almost an entire episode of your favorite TV show. On the other hand, TENSSENX offers up to 40 minutes. Not bad, but it's like getting a pizza with one slice missing. Close, but no cigar. Reviewers appreciate the TENSSENX's decent battery life, even though some find it average. TENSSENX users also find the extra battery to be a helpful addition. Now for the fun stuff, the features. TENSSENX is packing some serious heat with GPS auto return home, follow me, waypoint fly, and even voice and gesture control. It's practically a flying butler. Over in TENSSENX land, we've got high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3 speed gears, and 360 degrees flip. Plus, it has brushless motors for better stability and wind resistance. Think of it as the gymnast of drones, doing flips and tricks like it's auditioning for the next Marvel movie. Reviewers love the TENSSENX for its user-friendly features, though some have had issues with the auto return home. TENSSENX is praised for its stability and fun features, making it a hit among families. Last but not least, let's discuss portability. TENSSENX has a foldable design and weighs less than 250 grams, meaning you don't need FAA registration. It's like the carry-on luggage of drones, light and easy to travel with. TENSSENX comes with a carrying case and extra spare fan blades, which is great. But it doesn't quite match the featherweight champion, TENSSENX. It's like bringing a suitcase to a backpacking trip. Good, but maybe a bit much. Reviewers appreciate the TENSSENX's portability, making it perfect for travel. TENSSENX users also like the carrying case, but some find it a bit bulkier. Overall, reviewers find the TENSSENX GPS drone to be a fantastic choice for its camera quality, user-friendly features, and portability. However, some have faced issues with specific features like auto return home. On the other hand, the TENSSENX brushless motor drone is praised for its budget-friendly price, stability, and fun features, though customer support and app quality could be improved. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a high-flying, feature-packed drone with a camera that'll make your Instagram followers jealous, the TENSSENX GPS drone is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want to impress your friends with some cool aerial tricks, the TizzyToy Brushless motor drone has got your back. Whichever drone you choose, just remember to have fun and maybe avoid flying it into your neighbor's yard. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Also, leave a comment and let us know which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly safe and buy smart.